If you want to use your headphones with FL Studio, first make sure the software is open. To hear playback through your headphones and also use a microphone, go to the top toolbar and click on Options. From the drop-down menu, click on Audio Settings. In the Audio Settings panel, find the input and output device options. Click the drop-down menu and select the name of your headphones. Once you've selected them, you can close the panel. Your audio will now come through your headphones. If you're using Bluetooth headphones or you don't see your headphones listed in the FL Studio audio settings, the issue may be with your Windows settings. Go to the taskbar and right-click on the audio icon. Then click on Audio Settings. This will open the Windows audio settings. In the Output section, make sure your headphones are selected. Do the same in the Input section if you're using a microphone. To connect a Bluetooth headphone, click on Add Device and select Bluetooth. After the connection is complete, go back to FL Studio and follow the same steps again to choose your headphones in the audio settings. That's all you need to do to use headphones with FL Studio. Thanks for watching.